So I went out for a morning flight with my Vapor X5. And here's a pause so you can see that there's absolutely nothing in the sky. Now watch what happens next. Did you see that? I go back and look up. I pause. Nothing in the sky. Minutes later, same flight and battery pack. I'll have this video uploaded in full so you can see the full flight. Slowing it down here so you can see there's again nothing in the sky. Upside down so you can see there's nothing in the sky. And as I swoop around and I look back towards where it came from before, this happens. Holy cow, I turn around and nothing there. Now pay close attention as you watch the UFOs fly over in slow motion. Right here you can see it start pretty small, and as it gets closer to the ground it seems, it gets bigger and bigger going across the field. And the next one starts with a shadow over the trees in this area. And then it hits the ground, shadow, and goes across the entire field again. And this is me.